Mohammad Ali Shah, veteran, international TEDx speaker, defense analyst, TV panelist, actor, and visiting faculty at Whistling Woods International, and lots and lots. So, Major, over to you.
Thank you very much, Adari. Thank you very much. Dr. Anil Garg, your talks are always so motivating. I follow them and you are amazing. I follow your YouTube channel as well. Since we are all here as entrepreneurs, I would tell you something very relevant about entrepreneurship, which I learned from my management lessons when I was studying as a student at IIM Calcutta. What my mentor, what my teacher taught me was, when you start a business, we all think what to do, how to do, when to do, where to do. But something what my teacher taught me, which I will not forget, is why to do. The intention behind that business. Why are we venturing into that business venture? And let me tell you, I have to give full marks, full credit to Chaitali for taking up this initiative and doing what she is doing. The intention was right. And that is the sole reason why we is today where it is, where we are, where we is, right? I'll give you another small example of this. You know, I gave my first TEDx talk last year in 2019. And when I received the first invitation to speak on TEDx, I was like, you have reached out to some wrong Muhammad Ali Shah. I'm not the same person that you're looking for. You sent this mail to me by mistake. Then they wrote back, no, sir, it's you only that we want. I was under the impression that only accomplished personalities, high achievers who are up there, only they come on TEDx to speak. And till now, and I'm not any achiever or any accomplished personality. I'm just working hard, just striving, right? So when I went they convinced me to come for a TEDx talk. I went. You know what happened there? In 18 minutes of talk, the first 18 minutes, the audience over there in Amritsar were very kind. They clapped and they stood up and they gave me 3 standing ovations during the talk. And I was like, wow, thank you. Thank you, sir. So I was like, wow, that is amazing. And a week after that, another TEDx invitation from Hyderabad followed. 10 days after that, another TEDx invitation from Raipur followed, and so on. And it became a sequence. Thereafter, there came a phase in India, in a country where not a single TEDx event was being organized. We received a license, and I had not received a mail, an invitation mail to come to their platform and speak. So I was like, wow, this is resonating with a lot of people. And then suddenly I get a call from Bangalore, from an entrepreneur like Chaitali. Someone had called up and said that we would like you to come and speak on our annual day. We're having a function, please come. Now, I couldn't really I said, I can't come on this day because I have commitments in Mumbai. I can come a day plus minus before and after. No, sir, we want you on that day only. Now what happened? Listen to this. Very interesting story. I checked on the flights for that day. Early morning, 5:30 flights were going from Bombay to Bangalore. Return flights were at night, post 10 o'clock. So I said, I'm sorry, I would not be able to make it. Now something unbelievable happened. As Paulo Coelho put in The Alchemist, in chapter 4, paragraph 4, line 2, page number 78, Paulo Coelho says, if you truly desire something from the bottom of your heart, the whole universe conspires to get it together for you. That is exactly what happened. They sent a private aircraft, a private jet, with a pilot, an air hostess, and I was the only person who flew. Now you'll write to me, liar, 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 liar. No, it really happened. It really happened that way. I took a lot of photographs that day and I was like, I put them up on my social media. That flying in a private jet would deliver talk. And I used to be a speaker. Anyone would invite me, I would go and speak gratis. Say from Bombay, if someone is calling me over to Kanpur, I would go. As long as they are paying my airfare, my hotel accommodation, fooding, lodging, I am sorted. I would go and speak and I would come back. Similarly, nothing was. Thank you very much. I'm getting a lot of private messages. Thank you very, very, very sweet of you all. I'm glad that I'm managing to inspire at least a few of you. Now, what happened is, money was never discussed. So the CMD or the chairman of the company gave me a shawl, memento, after my talk. I had lunch with him, and he gave me an envelope. Now, what was there in that envelope? I don't know. So I keep my shawl and my memento on the table. I hold the envelope, place it in my pocket, and I go rushing to the washroom to see, भाई मैं भी तो देखूं आखिर इसमें है क्या. And thank you, Minky. Thank you for your wonderful comment. And I go to the washroom. I open this envelope with a lot of anxiety. I see there was a check of, well, there was a thank you note and a check. A check of 1,01,000 rupees. Thank you, Minky. Thank you very much. So I was like, unbelievable. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. And I was unbelievable. That was my first earning as a motivational speaker. Anyhow, as promised, they flew me back to Mumbai on time. And post 4 o'clock, I had my commitments. I could live up to my commitments. A week later, you know what happened? The HR director, the HR head of that company, that IT company, was leaving that company and joining a company called HDFC Life Insurance. Big company, very big brand. Now I get a call from HDFC Life Insurance. How much do you charge for a session? Ladies and gentlemen, I never used to charge any time for those sessions. So it was a very tricky question. A call from a big company, a huge multinational company. I wouldn't want to miss out on the talk. I don't want to talk money. If I talk money, I will miss out on that contract. So I told them, I talk art. I don't talk commerce. Regarding commerce, there is one bully sitting over there, and he is the manager. He bullies everyone around to get payment from them. So you call up the manager. He will discuss commerce. This person was a very hardcore businessman. After half an hour, he gives me a call. He says, Ali bhai, बहुत मुबारक हो. आपको contract finalized हो गया है, and they are going to be paying you 10.5 lakh rupees for one speaking contract. मेरे जहन में आया था कि मैं बोल दूं भैया, I will not accept anything less than 1 lakh. क्योंकि मेरे को ये था कि भाई 1 लाख, क्योंकि वो बेंचमार्क बन गया था ना, थ्रू चेक, थ्रू वाइट. अब पासबुक एंट्री में 3 होगी. अगर मैं वो imagine, had I said 1 lakh, probably I would have got it. But I did not know 10 times, more than 10 times the amount was waiting in store for me. हम लोग डरते हैं. As entrepreneurs also, we feel scared to talk about money. भाई मैं ये बेच रहा हूँ, अगर पैसे की बात करूंगा, कहीं वो लेना, घबरा के ये वो, भैया लोग खर्च करने के तैयार है. आपको बता रहा हूँ मैं अभी ये बात. People are willing to spend, provided you know how to sell. If you don't know how to sell, आप फ्री में तोहफा बांट दो, उसकी कदर समझ में नहीं आएगी भाई. Anyhow, then what happened? Until I saw the email, I saw it in black and white. I didn't believe my ears and my eyes. So thereafter, HDFC Life Insurance was very impressed by my talk. I got standing ovation in all stations. I went for a pan-India talk. Mumbai, Delhi, Calcutta, Bangalore. And a week after that, Piramal's Realty, big company. You never know आपकी कौन सी टॉक कहाँ पे, कौन सा लिंक, कौन किसके हाथ लगता है, कौन देखता है, किसके साथ शेयर होती है, कौन आपको पसंद कर लेता है. You just don't know. Now to be invited as a motivational speaker, if someone sees my profile on paper, a profile can be inflated. he's done this, he's done that. उससे बेहतर है आप उसका लिंक देख लो ना, टॉक ही सुन लो आप, क्वालिटी देख लो वहीं पे. Thank you, Sanskruti. Thank you very much for this wonderful comment. And thank you, Ruchi. And तो भाई वहाँ पे मेरे पीरामल्स में मेरी टॉक देखी थी. वहाँ पे we went for a session, and there Raj Lakshmi was there as well. We gave this talk together over there, and वहाँ पे भी they asked how much payment would you expect. तो मैंने क्या करा, very smartly I took out my passbook entry. मैं वहाँ रख दी उनके आगे. This is how much I got paid for my previous talks. Up to you. But yeah, they paid us very well, very well. And I came, and all of us, then I went to IIM Calcutta, my alma mater. Give back time for any alumni. So I gave a talk over there. Thank you, Shimol. Thank you very much. So I gave my talk, and the next day, in Calcutta Times, one of the papers, I think it was Calcutta Times, I don't remember, front page headlines. What do I read? Full page coverage. I read, meet Major Muhammad Ali Shah, who has given the highest number of TEDx talks, not just in India, but in the world, an international TEDx speaker who goes to other countries and speaks as well, and the topmost and the highest paid motivational speaker of India. Are you surprised? This is not true. So I checked with them. This is not true. Thank you for this clap. Thank you for the encouragement. This is not true. They said, no, sir. Technically, if you see, who is the highest paid motivational speaker of India? They gave me a couple of names. They get paid so much, so much, so much. You have crossed a barrier of 10.5 lakh rupees, which is over $1 million. So technically speaking, you are the highest paid motivational speaker. And we would rate you to be the topmost. That is how I came to be known as, and I started coming on television. Every day I come on a national television channel. Just now I was live on NewsX sometime back. And I would be live once again in the evening, like you will be live on CNN News 18 after that. So you never know. You'll be live at 6 o'clock, I think. So I don't know who sees your talk 4 o'clock, right? So who sees your talk when, what time, where, you just don't know. अब क्या हो, अब सुनिए मजे की बात. Now I'll come to the point. जब ये last year, the University of Cambridge and University of London invited me over to address the students. I was shooting for a film which Priyanka Chopra has produced called The Broken Window. I know, sorry, time up ho raha hai. I'll come to the point quickly. I'll skip the entire thing. Bhai, इस pandemic में, इस online में set up a communications academy. Public speaking, communications, and I kept it very reasonable. Very affordable. People told me, bhai, तुम्हारे लिए तो बहुत सस्ता है ये. Keep it high. I said, no. I want the intention. Why to do it? The intention is I want to spread positivity. I want to train people in communication skills. And because it was low priced, intention was right. I got a large volume. भाई अगर मैं 1 घंटे का सेशन लेता हूँ, 1 घंटा फिर भी जा रहा है. एनर्जी इतनी लग रही है. भलाई मैं 5 लोगों को सिखाऊं उसमें या 500 लोगों को बात से बात करूं. टाइम और एनर्जी इतनी लग रही है ना. If I keep it expensive, yes, a certain segment, how to be a TEDx speaker, what I did on TEDx, ये वो, तो आएंगे लोग उस पे रजिस्टर करने के लिए. When I speak on communications, I have people from slum dwellers to CEOs of companies, from 5-year-old children to 80-year-old grandparents. They have registered, and so the volume is large. And the volume is large, the intention was right. So now the kind of profits, income, revenue I could generate in this lockdown, I never thought that would happen with me. So the intention as entrepreneurs, our intention should be right. I would like to stop here, but there's a lot more I can tell you all. But to hear more of my talks, you can follow my YouTube channel. It's on YouTube by my name, Muhammad Ali Shah, MOHOMMEDALISHH. You can follow me on Facebook. You send me a request, you send me a message. I will certainly reply back. वहाँ पे मेरे प्रोफाइल पिक्चर पे और कवर पेज पे उसकी डिटेल लिखी हुई है. My phone number is there in there, my personal number. On Friday, 4 p.m. to 6 p.m., I am conducting a workshop regarding my experience of becoming an international TEDx speaker, having given 16 TEDx talks ऑनलाइन मोटिवेशनल स्पीकिंग, ऑनलाइन थिएटर। एक महीने पहले Z5 पे मेरी फिल्म आई थी यारा, एंड सोनी लिव पे आई थी मेरी वेब सीरीज अवरोध। आई हैव एक्टेड इन बोथ, एंड बोथ आई हैव गॉट rave reviews. And now online academy. So when the going gets tough, I learned in the army the tough get going. अब मैं बोलूंगा, when the going gets tough, the tough get online. Thank you very much, Adali. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Ali, so much. Thank you so. And in fact, let me tell you, friends, we are associating with Ali for some programs for children on public speaking. I will later send you all the details. And I myself want to learn from you how to speak on public major. Because a lot of things I also it's my dream to be a TEDx speaker, and I have to learn it from you. Okay. Thank you so much. And yes, so we definitely we would we I always see you on so many channels. I don't know, even Rajalakshmi Joshi and Major. Every time whenever I use any TV or any other channel, you're always there in one of the panel discussions. Thank you so much.